Hello and attention, owners of bookkeeping, tax, and accounting companies, or friends of those who own bookkeeping, tax, and accounting companies. Coming to Jacksonville May 6th and 7th, 2024 is GrowCon. GrowCon. It is a conference exclusively for owners of bookkeeping, tax, and accounting companies. I'm excited because it's coming to Jacksonville, which is my hometown, and I'm going to be the opening speaker for this event. I'm going to be talking about how to authentically attract and enroll more ideal clients. Because it's not about just working with anyone. You want to work with more ideal clients that you like you, that appreciate the value you provide, and ultimately that you're helping make a bigger impact in the world. So this is coming up. Got some great sponsors here. Shout out to Universal Accounting for collaborating and putting a lot of this stuff together. And if you're unfamiliar with what GrowCon is, it's a place to network with other business owners. It's a place to build relationships, share ideas, hear from experts in the industry, learn some tips, pick up some new ideas to change the actions that you take. Because ultimately, the actions that we take create the reality that we have. We are the captains of our ship, and this is an opportunity to take new actions and achieve new results. You can make this year your best year ever and change the trajectory of what's possible for you, not just for yourself, but for your team, for your inner circle, for your family, for your clients. It has huge impact. Now, what's easy to think is, I'm too busy to take time to work on my business or to go to an event. However, I want you to understand it's that pushing things back, that procrastination, that prevents growth. So I want you to think about really taking the time to learn more about GrowCon and check it out. Look at the page, look at the speakers. This is an opportunity for you to collaborate, to evolve how you've shown up in the past so you can cultivate the future that you deserve and ultimately grow. Now, you can go on the website and hear what other attendees have had to say about attending. This is, from what I've heard from other attendees, it energizes them, it aligns them. It's so helpful to take some time out of the day-to-day, out of the whirlwind, just to unplug, to rejuvenate, to be inspired, and take new actions to achieve new results. Now, we've got some amazing speakers from all different backgrounds. Some from the accounting background, some from the marketing and sales background, and all sorts of different people. I'm excited to be sharing the stage with these people and cultivating a great experience. So you can learn more about the speakers on this website. And a lot of these people really know their stuff. This is a premier event with premier professionals to help clear the path and achieve new results. And you can also see the agenda on the website. It's a Monday and a Tuesday. Now, if you're busy, remember, this is the time to unplug for a bit and focus on working on the business, not just in the business. Have you ever heard the story from Stephen Covey's 7 Habits of Highly Effective People about sharpening the saw? I love that story. There's a guy that's in the middle of trying to saw down this big tree. And another guy comes up to him and looks at him. He's like, you're struggling. He's huffing and puffing. And he notices something about a saw. The saw is kind of dull. And so he asks the guy who's trying to saw the tree down, he's like, well, what are you trying to do? He's like, I'm trying to saw down this tree. He's like, well, your blade, it looks kind of dull. Why don't you sharpen the saw? He said, I don't have time to sharpen this saw. I'm trying to saw down this tree. A little bit of time to unplug, to get rejuvenated, to get new ideas, to connect, to cultivate new relationships. is totally worth it. You change the trajectory of what's possible. So this is a great location, by the way. The South Bank Hotel, Jacksonville Riverwalk. It's right next to the river. It's beautiful. And they've got great accommodations. You get to attend. It's coming up. And there are limited number of seats. So you wouldn't want to procrastinate and say, I don't know if I'll do that. Make a decision and make the plans to come, right? So it's taking a little bit of time looking ahead. If we procrastinate, schedule gets busy, less likely to do it. Now, I want you to come because I'd love to connect with more people. I'd like to build my network. I'm also looking to find other amplifiers in the world who want to make a bigger impact. In 2024, I'm launching a new partner program offering CMO solutions to accounting, tax professional, and other advisories that help people improve their business by reducing their expenses, achieving financial clarity, and ultimately becoming more profitable. My insight is to try to help you, tax professional, financial advisor, provide additional insights in the area of marketing and sales. So playing a different instrument that harmonizes and supports helping clients become more profitable. This is a fun event. You can learn more about Universal Accounting, their courses and programs. They're a great company. They have amazing people involved, providing a lot of resources, helping people sharpen the saw, become more productive, become more impactful, and I encourage you to check them out. If you do register, you can click the registration button, and I think I'm still sharing the screen. It pops open a screen. You could register. If you use the promo code that I'm putting into this post, you can get $200 off registration. The promo code is KH200, KH200. So use promo code KH200, get $200 off. Connect, have fun, enjoy the beauties of Jacksonville. It's going to be in May, so the beach is not far drive away, but the river is beautiful in and of itself. If you have questions about this or would like to connect, I'd love to hear from you. Any shares, comments are appreciated. Thank you for taking the time to check out this video. I appreciate you and the person that you are, being the amplifier in the world. So again, all these wonderful speakers, great location, amazing event. Thanks to the sponsors for all putting this together. And I look forward to connecting with the other speakers, connecting with potential attendees, and sharing more here in the near future. Here's to a blessed and beautiful day. Keep on amplifying.